In this video, we will talk about Scratch program. What's the meaning of Scratch program? Scratch program is a graphical programming language used for young students. In this lesson, we will talk about Scratch program interface, sprite area component, event blocks, motion blocks, control blocks, bin blocks, how to input that sensing block. First thing, we must know how to open the Scratch program. Scratch program, I can open it from the shortcut on the desktop or from start menu and type the word Scratch, then open it. When I open the program, first thing I must know the component of the program. At the top of the interface, this called title bar, which contain program name, and here in right side window box. This icon, it's called change language icon. You can change the layout of the program language. Menu bar, file to save, to open, or to get new project. Edit to delete or undelete the last action you do. Toolbar, we have toolbar here. These four icons. First, duplicate to create another sprite. Delete to remove the sprite from the stage area. To increase the sprite size, decrease the sprite size. This white area called stage area, and this the main object of the program called sprite. This area called sprite area. We will talk about it later. This part is called stage backdrop to get a background to the stage area. Tabs. This is 3 tabs. Scripts to get all scripts like motion, like event, looks, control. Costume to get the costumes of the sprite. Sound to know the sound of the sprite, like this. This called block area, we can take the blocks here, scripts here to create a block. Yes, block like this. How to deal with a sprite. How to add a new sprite rather than this. In this area, we called it sprite area. We have 4 options to get new one. First one is called sprite from library. When you choose to add a new sprite from program library, you see this options. You choose the one you want, like this, and then press OK. Insert to stage area. The next one is called paint new sprite or draw new one. Draw new one, and you can draw it as you like. The third option, upload from your device. It means you have already an sprite on your device and you can insert it to the stage area. Take a photo from a webcam. The fourth option, you can use it to take a photo from your surrounding or from yourself as you like. Now, how to control the sprite. How to control the sprite. In the sprite area, just right click on the sprite. Yes, select the sprite first and then right click. Have 5 options. We will talk about 4. First one, info. It's abbreviation for information. To get all information about the sprite you want, like sprite name, like sprite position. The second option, it's called duplicate. When I duplicate, I have a new one. Another, I have a new one. Okay, this is called duplicate. Third option, delete. To remove the sprite from the stage area. The fourth one, hide. Used to hide the sprite from the stage area. I want to run this block. First, you must begin the script by choose one of an event blocks. So I will go to event block to choose when green flag clicked, this green flag, when this sprite clicked. When I click on the sprite, I will choose when green flag clicked. Look, I will change this value to be 150 as I want. Loop. Loop means to repeat the script I do. How can I make a loop? First, I will choose one of the 2 types of loop. Fixed loop and forever loop. What's the difference between them? In the first one, fixed loop, to repeat the scripts in fixed times, 10, 20, 3, 4, 5, as you want. Forever, to repeat the script many times, to infinity. Let's do an example. Let's make an example of blocks. To start the script, must choose one of the event blocks. I will choose when green flag click. And then I want to make this script to move 100 steps. And then turn right by 90. Look, when I click on green flag, okay, from this I can draw a square by these two steps by put them 4 times. This is the power of control when I choose repeat and 4 when I flag like this. When I clicked on green flag, look like this, is very fast, so I can put wait 0.3 second green flagged. Okay, I want to draw a square. To draw a line, to make the sprite draw a line from scripts tab bin block, I just use bin down as the start of the block. What the color of bin? So I have to drag another option. Yes, it's called set bin color to as you like color you want. Look, I can draw a square. In bin blocks, I have some options. First, clear. Look, clear. Make it clear to clear any line in the stage area. Bin down, used to start draw. Pin up, used to make the sprite move without draw any line. Change bin color. This number I can change it like this here and make 20. Look, the each line have a new color. Input data. What the mean of input data? Input data means anything that goes into computer, like typing on keyboard, like click on mouse. This is called input data. How to make the sprite input data? How to make the sprite ask me question? To make the sprite ask the questions from sensing ask the question, I will use a different event block. What's your name? Look, what's your name? I can put my name. So I want to make the sprite say my name. After I input it, I went from the sprite to say my name. From looks, I will choose say. And I will replace this word hello with an option from sensing block called answer. Like this. I will try it now. What's your name? My name. Hey, say my name. How can I make this view? How can I make it? First, I will open the program. To start any block, I must begin with an event block. When green flag clicked, there are a line. So from bin, I have a line here. To clear it, from bin block, clear. To clear any line on the stage area. I want to start to draw, so I will choose bin down to start it. Control, repeat 100. To repeat what 100? Want to make my script move, not 10 step, 150. And then turn right by 190. From pen, I want the color of pen change by 10. So I will set my sprite here and then look. As you see, I want to make it again. Okay, thank you for listening and wait for the next video.